Welcome, my dear sons and daughters. Today's story is about planets in space. On a beautiful evening, Salem sat with his father watching a scientific program about space and planets. Salem, excitedly, "Dad, are there other celestial bodies in space besides the sun, the moon, and the stars?" Father, smiling, "Yes, Salem. There are planets in space which are large celestial bodies that orbit the sun in specific paths called orbits." Salem, surprised, "How many are there?" Father, "In our solar system, there are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune." Salem, "Wow, I didn't know there were other planets besides Earth. But are they all the same?" Father, "No, they vary in size, composition, and temperature. For example, Mercury is the smallest planet and the closest to the sun, making its atmosphere extremely hot during the day and freezing cold at night." Salem, "What about Mars? I've heard it's red." Father, "That's right. Mars is called the red planet because its soil contains a large amount of oxidized iron, giving it its reddish color." Salem, "And what about Jupiter?" Father, "Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, and more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. It also has a massive red spot, which is a storm that has been raging for hundreds of years." Salem, amazed, "Jupiter is enormous. What about the rings I see in some pictures?" Father, "You're talking about Saturn. It's the only planet whose rings are clearly visible, and they are made of ice and rocks." Salem, "So each planet has its own unique features. But is there life on any other planet?" Father, "So far, life has only been confirmed on Earth. However, scientists are searching for signs of life on Mars and some of Jupiter and Saturn's moons." Salem, "Subhanallah. The planets are so different and fascinating. Have planets been mentioned in the Quran?" Father, "Yes, Allah Almighty says, 'And we have built above you 7 strong heavens.' An-Naba 12. Some scholars say this may refer to the 7 planets known to ancient civilizations." Salem, "Subhanallah. I will try to learn the names of the planets in their order." Father, "That's a great idea. We can even observe some of them through a telescope on a clear night." Salem felt excited and began drawing planets in his notebook, contemplating Allah's greatness in creating them. Key facts. Salem learned: 1. There are 8 planets in our solar system. 2. The largest planet is Jupiter, and the smallest is Mercury. 3. Saturn is distinguished by its icy rings. 4th, planets are not identical. Each has unique characteristics. 5. The search for life in space is still ongoing. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Jadid.